She said them changed the rule yesterday. Like,
wasn't
how can
announced.
you change the rule and then not say it? So you're asking all the athletes who, for whatever reason, don't stay in the village, them can't come through the gate.
Disappointing and quite frankly sad news coming out of Paris 2024, the Olympics 2024. It seems that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has withdrawn from the women's 100 meter semifinals, which may mean that she will not be present or represented in the finals today. It appears that due to some mishap, maybe she missed the shuttle bus, or for some reason they didn't recognize Shelly and Sha'carri. They were barred from entry to a gate and were told that they had to walk a good distance. Now, it would appear that this has, negatively impacted and forced a decision on Shelly's part, and she decided not to, participate in this finals. We'll watch this and see if any changes or any updates come. But definitely sad news for Jamaica today. First we realize that Elaine will not contest. Then Sharika pulled out of the 100, with an injury. And now Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who had earlier stated that this is her last Olympics, yet now she is out of the semifinals. We'll watch the story and update you as we hear anything new. Sad day again, Jamaica track and field.
She said them changed the rule yesterday. Like,
Wasn't
how can
announced.
you change the rule and then not say it? So you're asking all the athletes who, for whatever reason, don't stay in the village, them can't come through the gate. We came through this gate yesterday and went through security and was okay. The man said we can't go, we have to go all the way up where everybody else that enter to come back down here. That's crazy.
This is crazy. Hey, what's happening there? Where are you? Yeah, I'm actually in the front of the stadium, like in the bus stuck. There's some problem with some athletes. Actually, the organization changed some stupid rules, and right now they're holding us in the bus while the problem is fixed. So I hope they're going to be fixing it up to me. So we're stuck in the bus. I'm here as well. Wow. Yeah. So they let people out, but they won't let you in. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna ask them to record how long they walk.
And I know our spirits are down, but at least there is some good news coming out of the Paris Olympics, as Rajindra Campbell, our shot put specialist, has snatched the bronze medal. It's the first medal at this Paris Olympics, and it's also Jamaica's first ever medal at the shot put event at the Olympics. So I know we are down because Shelly has withdrawn from the 100 meters, but this is at least some good news coming out of Paris.
you.